Beyond the deserts of Aswan, beyond the endless road, lies a village where the Nile whispers ancient songs. Welcome to Gharb Suhail. Welcome to Kato Waidi. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Peace be upon all of you. You won't believe this hidden gem we just found in Aswan, Egypt. Welcome to the famous Nubian village of Gharb Suhail, where today we are checking into Kato Waidi Nubian House Hotel, a place that combines authentic Nubian culture, breathtaking Nile River views, and traditional Egyptian hospitality. In this video, we will show you the highlights of our stay in this colorful Nubian-style hotel, tasting traditional Nubian food prepared by the hotel, with a sunset dinner directly next to the Nile River, and sharing why this might be one of the most unique places to stay in Aswan, Egypt. Let's go check it out. After hours driving on the road from Luxor, through ancient villages, desert highways, and riverside tracks, we finally arrive at our next destination. Kato Waidi Nubian House Hotel, our Nubian home in the heart of Gharb Suhail Nubian Village, in Aswan, Egypt. After registering our check-in, we were immediately served with a complimentary cup of invigorating hibiscus tea by the hotel staff, at the outdoor dining area overlooking the River Nile, which was a refreshing relief after the long drive. There's something different about being here in the Nubian village. The air feels softer, while the pace of life is slower. We're no longer travelers rushing from place to place, we're guests in a village that carries its history with pride. Here, the colors of Nubia welcome us with open arms. Blue, yellow, orange, every wall whispers stories of the river, the desert, and the indigenous Nubian people, who have called this place home, for centuries. After a long journey from Luxor, this feels like the perfect place to pause, to breathe, and to soak in the magic of the Nile at sunset. Kato Waidi isn't just a hotel, it's a doorway into the soul of Nubia. From the moment you step into Kato Waidi's open courtyard, the world turns into a living painting. A kaleidoscope of colors surrounds us, bold blues, radiant yellows, deep reds, each wall a canvas, each doorway a story waiting to unfold. And beyond, the Nile River itself mirrors this palette of dreams. The river shimmers in hues of gold, teal, and amber as the sky dances above. It's a place where art meets life, where every corner invites you to pause, to wander, to feel. Here, the colors don't just surround you, they embrace you. Every corner of Kato Waidi Nubian House Hotel is a canvas of Nubian art, vibrant walls bursting with colors, hand-painted stories of the river, the desert, and the people who call this place home. It's not just decoration, it's a living gallery of culture, history, and soul. Here is the interior of our deluxe double room with river view which we had booked using booking.com. Attached with a large outdoor balcony and a private bathroom toilet within, the room is simple but sufficient. In fact, it is a cozy rustic charm, with hand-painted sanctuaries, where the hum of the Nile lulls you to sleep. As we sat on the resting chair at the front doorway of our room overlooking the open courtyard, we can imagine the ancient Nubian world unfolding in layers. The magical spirit of the Nile shimmering quietly, like an ancient storyteller whispering tales only the river knows. The breeze carries scents of spices, sun, and earth. It's a moment where time softens, where you don't need to do anything, just sit, breathe, and let Nubia wrap around you like a warm, colorful blanket. It's in these still moments that we rejuvenate while on vacation. Every day, These long boats glide across the mighty Nile, carrying travelers from Aswan city to the colorful heart of the Nubian village. It's more than just a river crossing, it's a journey through time, where the rhythm of the oars, the laughter of visitors, and the songs of the river blend into a timeless melody of Nubia. As the evening sun slowly dips behind the desert hills, the river glows in golden rays of sunlight, and for a moment, the world feels still. The stories of Nubia are written in these waters, in these sands, in these smiles. We cannot wait for the moon to rise and night to beckon, for tonight we rest, with the rhythm of the Nile as our lullaby. The approaching sunset illuminates the sky in orange-bluish tone, and the calmness is finally broken by the distant, soulful call of Azan for Maghrib prayers, a reminder that even in the most breathtaking corners of the world, life finds its rhythm. As night settles over the Nile, the magic of Nubia continues at the dining table of Kato Waidi's hotel restaurant. We gather under the open sky, surrounded by the soft glow of lanterns and the sounds of the river gently flowing by. The air is filled with the rich, inviting aroma of spices, cumin, coriander, and garlic dancing together in traditional Nubian meat dishes prepared with love and stories passed down through generations. Every bite feels like a journey, from the earthy flavors of tagine to the sweetness of honey and hibiscus tea. Here, food is more than just a meal, it's a celebration of heritage, family, and the river that gives life to it all. From freshly baked Nubian bread, savory okra stew, and spiced lentils, to tender grilled chicken and marinated meat, it's a menu rich in tradition, flavor, and the warmth of home-cooked hospitality. This is Nubian comfort food at its best. Everything on the table is homemade, packed with local flavors, and it's the perfect way to end a beautiful day by the Nile. Look at these boats, they've been bringing people across the Nile for generations. It's such a beautiful way to arrive, sailing into the colors, music, and warm smiles of the Nubian village. After a hearty Nubian dinner, we find ourselves back by the river, letting the cool night breeze and the calm whispers of the Nile wash over us. Under the starry Nubian sky, everything feels still, as we wait for the gentle call of the Azan Ishaq prayer to echo across the village. Under Nubia's stars, the river whispers softly, and the call to prayer carries the day into a peaceful night. What a perfect way to end the day, the river, the stars, and the peaceful call to prayer. Good night from the heart of Nubia. Stay tuned for our next video as we wake up the next morning to enjoy a hearty Nubian breakfast by the river with the kaleidoscopic sunrise backdrop. Thank you all for joining us on this incredible journey through Nubia and the Nile. May you be blessed with peace, happiness, and safe travels wherever life takes you, as well as barakah in every step you take. May your family be protected, and your hearts filled with joy and gratitude. Ameen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and until next time, peace be upon you all.